Okay, in today's video we have a bunch of old booster packs. These are some, there are only 3 cards in these ones. This is Undefined Minds. 4 of those. And then we have a Cosmic Eclipse booster pack. And a X and Y Roaring Skies pack. I'm going to start off with the Undefined Minds. These are like what you get at the Dollar Tree. There's only 3 cards. I don't really know how I don't know if there's a card trick or anything. I haven't opened these in a while. Okay, there's a Stunkfish. Oh, that's a rare, I guess. The Vanny. And a Dual Blade. Okay, so there's only 3 cards. So I guess if the card trick would be 1 from the back, okay? Okay, next Undefined Minds says Espeon and Deoxys on the front. Okay, there's like a stain on this card. Okay, Chandler, Gible, and a Stunkfish. Okay, 2 more Undefined Minds. This one has Garchomp and Gratina on the front. Okay, Misty's Favor, Cottony, and a reverse holographic Blues Tactics. It's pretty cool. Last Undefined Minds pack. This one has Mewtwo and Mew on the front. Hoping to get something good, maybe a holographic or I don't know. Okay, Gabite, Snorunt, and a Bombosnow rare. It's pretty cool. Okay, now we're gonna go Cosmic Eclipse. Okay, we have a white code card. Okay, Okay, now I'm getting really nervous. What am I gonna get? Oh! I see something really shiny in the back. Okay, Iron Energy, Celio. Gloom, Zangoose, Rowlet, Stuffle, Rockruff, Alolan Vulpix, Piplup, Reverse Nosepass, and a Silvally GX alternate art. No. What? No way. Oh my. Secret rare, no, not secret rare, but it's alternate artwork. Silvally GX. No way. Oh my, look at that. That's incredible. Wow, I can't believe I got that. What? Okay. that in the back carefully. Last is Roaring Skies, X and Y Roaring Skies. I'm really excited about this because this is from when I first started collecting Pokemon. So, it's 2015 pack. So, I don't really know what the card trick is gonna be. Okay, the code chart's upside down, so I'm not gonna look at that. I'm gonna go with 3 from the back. Okay. Mega Turbo trainer card. Pharaoh uncommon. Skyfield. Dunsparce. Nincada. Togepi. Shuppet. Gilgar. Reverse Holo Binnacle. And Dragonite holographic, reverse holographic, I don't know. Full art Dragonite. Nice.